1170, right? Because it's gonna, if they pay out 1370 but you lose the 200, you still made 1170. But remember, it's on a $400 investment because you've got 2 positions on. Now it's still not too shabby. 1170 divided by 400 is 292%. Okay, so I'm sure none of you would be crying your way to the bank if you were making 290% on your money. And of course, the similar scenario would run down here if the market fell into this box and then traded back up, or fell into this box and just stayed down here. In this case, what would happen? The payout would be $1,534.56. But it cost you $400. So 1134, it's going to be very similar, divided by 400 is 283%. So really, best case scenario is if the market comes up here, right? I'm talking percentage-wise. Now, dollar-wise, it's 6 to 1, half a dozen the other. Percentage-wise, you're only talking about a few extra percent, but you get the picture. Now, best case scenario, the absolute best thing that could happen would be for the Canadian dollar to come down, tag this end here, and tag this end here. Okay, now what happens? They pay here, and they pay here. So you're making the 1370 plus the 1534 for 2,904 divided by 400, 726%. And of course I did that wrong. 2904. This is why I don't do math. Okay, so I forgot to subtract out the 400. So the actual, your net gain is 2,500 divided by 400. I like to do it that way because I think it's a truer number. 626%. Either way, come on. But again, this could be a strategy if you're expecting short-term volatility. Now you have to realize that these brokers are not dumb. Okay, they know if a news announcement is coming up. Okay, they're not going to leave that out of their calculation. So your numbers, when you're looking at them, can and most likely will be quite different during a news announcement that's coming up. So let's go ahead. Let's look at one that actually is a bit more realistic. Let's take a look at the British pound. Okay, now we know that at 1 o'clock, let me shrink this in. There we go. We know that at 1 o'clock tomorrow, on July 11th, Bernanke is talking. So let's take a look at a price box there. Let me take a look at how much time we've got on this. You know what, I'll go ahead and stop this and do a second one.